Any ideas? Any ideas?
Oh, hello, Mr. Fabricator. Did I hit you over the door? Look what I have. Making filmings. I'm just gonna start filming absolutely everything now. Hopefully we'll catch something. What's happening here? Right. Let's get the update on the boy. Okay, so the whole inner arch has been replaced.
This is all new.
Okay, this is all new metal.
This is all new.
This is all new metal.
This is new.
This is obviously the whole new replacement panel.
This is new.
This little lip where everything's bonded like to each other is all new. Okay, everything's epoxy primered. Everything's epoxy primered and painted. This whole corner is all fresh and new. Very nice. That looks like an absolute pain in the bum.
This was rotten.
Oh yeah,
I had to make up this from scratch. I didn't use the repair panel. That will be waterproof filling.
Yeah.
That will to protect it, or thick epoxy primer.
Okay.
So this is new, if you see from inside. From here round to here, that picks up the inner wing on the outside, curves out to pick up the inner wing outside. This panel here was all new.
Did you make that one up as well?
Yeah.
That looks nice, mate.
So then I had to re-plug where I could here.
To the existing floor.
To the floor panel.
Floor of the boot.
And then
Any ideas?
this. It's quite hard again, another tricky angle. This panel here goes out and picks up the outer arch.
Oh my god, puzzles for Nez Lays, mate. Look at the puzzles on the boy.
So it comes out here and picks up. That bends out here, so you have to get that cut right.
Oh mate, bends on bends. Bends on bends on bends.
Once the outer arch, you can get a couple of plugs to pick up this new repair piece, the outer.
Oh my dude lays. Oh mate, struggly boys. Alright. Good progress, mate, good progress. I like it. Looks proper. Looks legit.
Any ideas?
Oh mate, once it's all back out of its covers and back in one piece. Oh, Krusty Boy! That's Krusty Boy number 2.
Strawberry boy.
Okay, before we do anything, we are gonna sort out this freezing ass door because it is bloody cold in here. 25mm Celtex on the door.
Any ideas? Any ideas?
Door is at this stage of completion. Still a bit of insulation that needs to go on, and one more layer of this stuff over the top. Oh, I've got a little bit of this insulation left. I'm surprised like how much I used up, and I thought I wouldn't need as much as I needed. I started taping it as well. This is like completely overdoing it, but yeah, it's overdoing it, but it's just, why not? Seeing as, yeah, this, like all the stuff was all just free leftover stuff, so it's good. It's just